Hey everybody, it's Dr. Cassie. I want to share something with you that it breaks my heart. Like there are so many people that believe that feeling exhausted, feeling inflamed, anxious, overweight, dependent on medications, or just simply you just don't like feel like yourselves anymore. Like that it's just part of getting older, and somehow along the way, we've decided and accepted that all of those things are normal. But what if they're not? Like, what if God designed your body for more? Like, what if your body was truly created to heal, to adapt, to function, and to thrive? And so that's why I'm excited for the upcoming Biblio Health Workshop. It's on Wednesday, June 24th at 6:15 right here in our office. Like this isn't just another nutrition seminar. Like this isn't talking about another diet. It's not me telling you like what foods to eat and what foods to avoid. It's a conversation about what scripture teaches us in regards to stewarding our health. Because listen, if God created the body, shouldn't we care like what he says about it? So we'll be talking about biblical principles for like food and fasting and movement and energy and health. And it's all based off of the Biblio diet that was written by Jordan Rubin and Dr. Josh Axe. And so I want you to come. And my goal isn't for you to leave with more information. My goal is that you would leave with a new perspective, especially when it comes to your health, a perspective that says that my health matters, that my body matters, and how I care for it matters. And so whether you are absolutely thriving like in your health, or you're struggling, or whether you've been a long time patient or you're brand new to these kind of ideas, I believe that this workshop will encourage you. It will challenge you. So grab a friend, grab a family member, grab a neighbor. Join us Wednesday, June 24th at 6:15 right here in the office. We'll also have copies of the Biblio diet available for you to get. And I really hope to see you there. It's going to be a powerful, powerful night. So see the flyers all around the office, scan that QR code, get yourself registered, or go over to the supplements and there's a sign up sheet, sign up there, and we'll get you registered as well. So see you guys June 24th, Wednesday at 6:15.